Hi, I am Bouwer van der Eems from sahomeschoolers.org and currently serving in the Association for Homeschooling. My wife and I have homeschooled our 5 children since 2001, and in this video series I would like to answer the most frequently asked questions parents have on home education. In this first video we talk about legalities.
Is home education legal?
Home education was legalized in South Africa when the new constitution was adopted in South Africa in 1994. The right to home educate was acknowledged in 1996 with the introduction of Article 51 of the SA School Act, which states that parents may register their children for education at home. Home education has grown enormously in South Africa since then.
Should parents register for home education?
The SA Schools Act requires parents to register their children for education at home. However, many provincial departments do not have the administrative capability to register children for home education. Most officials in the Department of Education have a very limited understanding of what home education is and what the laws on home education are, and thus they have many requirements for parents and learners which have not been stipulated in law. As a result, more than 95% of homeschooling families do not register with the department. Parents are advised to join the Pestalozzi Trust to assist with the legal aspects of home education, so that parents can focus on educating their children at home with peace of mind.
How many home learners are there in South Africa?
57,000 home learners were declared in the 2011 South African National Census. We anticipate that the number has grown approximately to 75,000 in 2014. In America, there are already more than 2 million home learners. Home education is growing at a rapid pace all over the world.
Is home education a new type of education?
Up till about 100 years ago, home education was the standard method of educating children. In the 1900s, public schools became more common. Dr. Andrew Murray, an NG Church minister who toured through the republics, was surprised that he seldom found young people that were illiterate, despite the fact that there were no schools in the areas in which he travelled. Nomad farmers bordering the northeast of the Cape Colony in the 1800s had no schools, teachers or religious ministers, and yet literacy was common occurrence. In our next video, we will discuss the reasons why parents choose home education for their children. Parents choose home educations for numerous reasons, some of them being quality of education, safety,